Hi everyone, I'm Anna and I oversee operations at Ronival Property Management. I'm very excited because today I'm here at the beautiful beach of Cerritos. It's just 1 hour from Cabo. And I'm here with Sylvia and Sebastian, two amazing members of our property management team. Hi Sylvia.
Hi Anna, thank you. Hi guys, my name is Sylvia and I'm Senior Property Manager at Ronival. I've been with this amazing team for almost 5 years now. I've truly enjoyed helping our clients take care of their properties as if they were our own. As Anna said, we are very happy to announce that we are expanding our operations to Cerritos now. Isn't that great? This is a great opportunity for us to keep on offering the same level of care, professionalism, and dedication that our clients have come to expect. I am also thrilled to introduce to you Sebastian. He's our operations and property manager here at the Cerritos area. Sebastian, welcome to the team.
Hello, Sylvia. Hi there. I'm Sebastian. I'm the property manager junior for Cerritos and surrounding area. I've been working with Ronival for almost 2 years. We are someone you can trust to take care of your property, whether it's for personal use or vacation rental.
So yes, we're very happy to have Sebastian here overseeing the operation of the Cerritos properties that we already have here. And we're looking forward to talking to you to find out how we can help you. What are your needs for your property care here in the area? So please give us a call, send us an email. So we will be very happy to talk to you and be someone you can trust here in Cerritos.